Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add about me in Mobirise. So let's start. First, what you want to do, you just click here plus and the theme just rolled here. So you can go to the articles and you're gonna see like what kind of you would like to use. So when I'm going to scroll down and let's just find, I don't know, even this one here is good, I think. But this one here is too good too, and I like it. So let's just click here this one, and you can just click here, show buttons, get away, and change the final photo of you. I don't know, like this one. Okay, and I can even like get rid of the colors here. Media size, let's make it smaller. About me, and I would just edit it. Hey everybody, my name is Marcus and I am not owner of the plane behind me, but maybe in the future I will be, who knows. So this is how you can add like about me page. You can also test it like with this one here, but it's like really similar, the same, and that's like it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you're going to have a great day. See ya and goodbye.